This is the second video of the Python course. In first video, we will discuss about introduction of Python, what is Python and application of Python, and the third one is we discuss how to set up environment for Python. In this video, we will discuss a simple program in Python language. Okay, first of all, we discuss about what we will discuss in this course. During this course, we will discuss 1000 plus problems plus 4 year 5 project. This is project. Okay? ये project. This is project 4 year 5 project, and with this all, we will provide a source code which we write on this. You will get a source code from which you can learn more. Okay, and if you have faced any doubt during this session, you can contact me through comments या through my Telegram channel Padaku Barak. You will search on Telegram Padaku Barak. You will get my channel link and you will join this channel. Join this channel to ask me a question, and many of the Python learners will also present in this group to solve their doubts on Python programming and any programming language. So we will move on PyCharm. We downloaded how to set up it. We told you yesterday. You can, if you have an Android phone, then you download an Python IDE integrated development environment from which you can also able to coding from phone. There's no need to PC. If you don't have PC, you will not able to programming. This is line is wrong. You can able to programming from mobiles if you download a ID soft launcher. So I successfully open a PyCharm on which I write my first code. Okay. So first of all, we remove this complete, and in the Python is very simple language. If you are beginner, then you can learn in the simple way. First of all, we print hello world. In this, there's a simple way, that is print. You decided to print, so you write print this. If you write pr, the option will be so you will write you will want to write print, so you won't select print and will print. Now this, I zoom out this one and this. In this middle, I write hello world. Hello world. Whatever you write inside this, you will show on output screen. Now I will run this program from here. The code will be running and the output will become, that is hello world. That is hello world. Okay. You see that output will be hello world. Anything you write inside this, anything, anything, anything you write inside this, you will get the same output here. This is the same output. This is the easiest way and a simple way from which we can make a Python program. Whatever you write inside print statement, you will get a same output. Okay. uh, there are some technique to improve your code quality. First of all, there's no more space between these. Okay. And the other thing is there is no more space will be provided there. Due to this, the code readability. These are the small techniques from which you can improve your code readability, and you can write a better code. ठीक है? Do ye These are the some things which you can avoid, but the code readability is very low, and there is no means of the code after that. Think. In the coming video, we will discuss about string, step, tuple, slash, and how to write multiple statement like this. If you want to write like this, hello any is milik, any is written in this inside this, and thing is inside, thing is written on another statement like this. I copy it and paste this. I scroll down, paste this and this. I zoom this. Okay, and now we'll print. You will see, you will see this is to any statement. This is to any statement. ठीक है. This is the statement of first print function. This is the statement for of a second print statement. Uh, in the upcoming video, we will also discuss about how to print two print statement in single line. So thanks for watching this video.